Our video is specifically targeted towards college and university students living on their own. This audience often struggles with limited time, tight budgets, and little cooking experience. We wanted to show that even with minimal ingredients and tools, you can still prepare a satisfying and tasty meal.
Hi, imagine your friends coming over for a sciences. The biggest question is what to serve them, right? Well, here we bring you a quick 5-minute macaroni recipe that is super easy. You don't have to be a professional cook. It's for beginners, no fancy tool needed, and it's super budget friendly. And we cater specifically to our target audiences.